Follow these steps to resolve the error. 1. Verify game files. 1. Open the Rockstar Games Launcher or Steam. 2. Navigate to Library. Right-click GTA 5. Select Properties. 3. Under Local Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 4. Allow the process to complete and restart the game. 2. Check Rockstar servers. 1. Visit the Rockstar Games server status, support.rockstargames.com services status page. 2. If servers are down, wait until they're back online. 3. Clear cache files. 1. Go to the following directory, Documents, Rockstar Games Launcher. 2. Delete the cache folder. 3. Relaunch the Rockstar Games Launcher. 4. Disable antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software blocks GTA 5 from connecting to servers. 1. Add GTA 5 to your antivirus or firewall exceptions list. 2. Temporarily disable antivirus/firewall and launch the game to test. Reset your internet connection. 1. Restart your router or modem. 2. Use a wired connection for better stability. 3. Test your internet speed and ensure it's stable. 6. Run the game as administrator. 1. Navigate to the GTA 5 installation folder. 2. Right-click gtav.exe. Select Properties. 3. Go to Compatibility. Check Run this program as an administrator. 4. Apply changes and try launching the game. 7. Update Rockstar Games Launcher. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Rockstar Games Launcher. 1. Open the launcher, go to Settings, check for updates. 2. Install any available updates. #8. Reinstall the game. If none of the above works, 1. Backup your save files from Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5. 2. Uninstall and reinstall GTA 5 through your platform, Steam Rockstar Launcher.